When I was a boy, my kokum used to take me down to the creek to pick sweetgrass. While she harvested the long blades of grass, I would crouch down by the water's edge and watch the tadpoles wiggle about. Boy, did I ever love to watch them swim. When I grew older, I would often follow the same path down to the lake, where my cousin and I would spend the whole day fishing. After catching just enough fish for our supper, we would make a tobacco offering, thank the Creator for the wonderful gifts, then make our way back to our kokum's house, where she would prepare our catch for supper. As we sat at the kitchen table, enjoying the delicious meal, our kokum would often tell us how proud she was that we continued to practice our traditional way of life. "There's nothing more important for the community than taking care of Mother Earth and the land, plants, and animals that feed us," she would say. One day, while my kokum and I sat on the porch braiding sweetgrass, a stranger dropped by for a visit. "Who's that?" I asked curiously. "That's an environmental public health officer," replied my kokum. "What's an environmental public health officer?" I questioned. "That's someone who helps keep communities like ours healthy by making sure our land, water, air, food, and homes are safe," answered my kokum. "That's right," said the EPHO woman, stepping forward. "We're kind of like Mother Earth's modern-day superheroes, here to keep our environment safe." "What are you doing here, then?" I asked, somewhat confused. "Shouldn't you be out catching bad guys or something?" "I'm here to test your drinking water. By analyzing your water, I can make sure it's safe to drink. Water, like the land and the air that we breathe, is just one of the important elements in our environment," she continued. "By taking care of our lakes, rivers, and streams, we're taking care of the plants and the animals that live there. Clean water means healthy fish. Healthy fish means healthy food for the community," added my kokum. "Well, I gotta be going now," shouted the EPHO as she hopped into her truck and drove away. Wow! Being an environmental public health officer sure looks like a lot of fun, doesn't it, kokum? "It sure does," replied my kokum. Later that evening, as I lay in bed staring up at the stars, I tried to imagine what it would be like to be an environmental public health officer. A superhero, flying across the country, assessing environmental threats, and protecting Mother Earth and my community from environmental harm. As I fell off to sleep, I decided that the next time I saw the environmental public health officer, I was going to ask her how I could become a superhero just like her. The next day, my kokum and I went to our community's annual Harvest Fest. And as luck would have it, who did we find standing there next to a pile of corn? The environmental public health officer. I immediately ran over and asked her how I could become an environmental public health officer. "It's simple," she said. "All you have to do is keep learning how to take care of the land from your kokum and your community. This knowledge is going to be one of your superpowers, so you should learn as much as you can. Then, you need to work on your people skills. Get comfortable talking to lots of different people every day, sometimes all at once. Oh, and don't forget to take science courses in high school. As Mother Earth's modern-day superheroes, we need to understand how biology, chemistry, and the environment are linked to human health." With support from my kokum and my teachers, I was able to finish high school with the science courses I needed. I then went on to university, where I received a bachelor's degree in environmental public health. Today, I'm a proud member of a select group of Indigenous superheroes known as Environmental Public Health Officers. Together, we roam the country preventing and managing environmental threats while keeping Mother Earth and our communities safe and healthy. Thank you.